Have you ever wondered why some leaders inspire you while others, well, not so much? Today we're diving into a leadership showdown, traditional versus servant leadership. It's the battle of the boss versus the helper, and trust me, the difference is huge. Get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew about being a leader. Welcome once again to Servant Leaders Hub, your go-to channel for becoming a values-driven leader who serves, leads, and inspires. In this self-paced Values and Leadership series, we'll explore how you can take charge of your personal growth and set yourself on the path to success. And in this episode, we will tackle the key differences between traditional leadership and servant leadership. The traditional leadership, the my way or the highway approach. Let's start with traditional leadership. Think of it like a captain who yells orders from the bridge of a ship. They're in charge, they make the decisions, and everyone else just follows. What is its focus? The leader is the boss, period. They're all about getting results, winning, and reaching targets. For them, power and authority are super important. How it looks, the leader gives orders and expects them to be followed, no questions asked. They might not always listen to other people's ideas. How do they measure success? It's often about their achievements. Examples: a boss who dictates every step of a project, a teacher who only focuses on test scores, a coach who only cares about winning, no matter the cost. Now let's talk about servant leadership, the let's grow together philosophy. This is where things get really interesting. Imagine a leader who's more like a coach or a mentor. They're focused on helping everyone on the team grow and succeed. What is its focus? The leader's main goal is to serve the team and build a strong community. Empathy, listening, and teamwork, that's their jam. How it looks: the leader listens to everyone's ideas, helps them develop their skills, and celebrates their successes. How do they measure success? It's about the team's overall well-being and growth. Examples: a coach who helps each player improve their skills, a teacher who encourages collaboration and creativity, a friend who supports you in achieving your goals. Before we proceed, here's a brief reminder. Please note that we have prepared guide questions or tasks for every episode. These are meant to enhance your experience with the self-paced online program. And for any teachers or class advisors who are watching, here's some good news. These videos can be utilized as instructional materials. We have prepared a list of guiding questions for your class discussion or reflection on this episode. All you need to do is enter your name and email address in the comment area below to gain access to the task or guide questions. To continue, so, what's the big difference between traditional leadership and servant leadership? Let's break it down. Who's the star? Traditional, the leader is the star. This means the leader takes all the credit and focuses on their own achievements. What's the goal? Traditional, achieving results. This often means prioritizing individual success over the team's well-being. How's the power used? Traditional, to control. Traditional leaders use their power to dictate actions and enforce their will. How are people treated? Traditional, as subordinates. People are seen as followers who must obey the leader's commands. Decision-making, traditional, top-down, leader makes the decisions. The leader makes decisions alone without input from the team. Motivation, traditional, fear, rewards, or punishments. Motivation often comes from external factors like fear of punishment or the promise of rewards. Let's move on to the important question: why servant leadership matters. Because servant leadership creates amazing things. It builds positive and supportive environments, helps everyone reach their full potential, builds strong teams and communities, and encourages ethical behavior. It's about creating a world where everyone thrives. The best part: you can be a servant leader. Anyone can be a servant leader. You don't need a fancy title or a big office. You can start by listening to your friends and family, helping out in your community, being kind and respectful to everyone. If you're ready to ditch the boss mentality and become a leader who empowers and serves, join our community. Let's build a community of self-empowered viewers who are ready to make a positive impact. There you have it. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't miss our next episode. Until next time, thank you for watching.